Flash flood warning.
Heavy rain in Fountain Creek. Between 0.5 and 1.3 inches fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Street flooding has been observed on Fountain and Circle in southern Colorado Springs. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include southern Colorado Springs, Fountain, Fort Carson, Security, Stratford, Security, Whitefield, and Cimarron Hills. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded
Doubleheader.
roads.
Watch.
Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
Doubleheader.
The National
Oh,
Weather
okay.
Service